Hello everyone, today is Monday, July 15. I have another live trading video from Trader Jim. Without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, the original video is about an hour long, and so I've edited down to the video to about 30 minutes because it's a little bit tedious to watch an hour-long video, but I hope you'll watch the whole video because it just goes to show that we're all human, and I feel there was some mistakes that could have been avoided with a little bit of more observation, such as trading against the trend indicator I'm talking about. In the end, it all turned out pretty good, so please watch the video to the end. It's a really good video. After I think I will make a second video to kind of analyze the trades in this video. It's a really good lesson. Thanks for watching.
Good morning, July 15th. Took the Friday off last week, and I think for the rest of the summer I'll be taking Fridays off. I really don't like the price action since the beginning of July. I really have not been able, I believe, to perform as well as I did earlier. I find the price action in July to be quite challenging. As we're reaching these new highs, the market has fairly tight swings going back and forth, and I find it challenging. So for now, this is the 2-minute precision trend as we are opening up and we are testing the volatility stop. Right now, actually, I don't know if I want to go long here. We have this, this is the new overnight high right over here. I don't think I want to buy into it. If they go higher and then retrace back and test it from top side, then I might be taking a long. But I reduced my daily targets on all 3 accounts because, again, this kind of price action I find challenging. It's the methodology that I employ, this kind of price action is challenging. So instead of fighting it, I'll just go along with it and just reduce my daily targets. This one has a daily target of 300. It'll be interesting to see if we do get see, trying to break lower. If we break lower, we have this 58. Of course, in between we have a few other levels. Looks like we just broke the low by a couple of ticks, so I don't really trust it yet. It looks like we will be going lower here. I would like to enter on a bounce, not necessarily when this bar closes, but maybe over here. Let's see if we can get filled on the short over here at 76.50. So here's our short. As you can see, my stop is fairly tight here, because of course this is pretty much against the trend. I mean, this has been a very strong market. All I'm trying to do here is to try and capitalize on a reaction of this new high. That's all this is, just a reaction. So I guess you can say this is more of a scalping kind of mode. Another thing, of course, with it being the summer, I really don't feel like spending all day in front of the screen. And I guess this is maybe bad work ethics on my part, but you know, my kids are all from school and the weather's beautiful. I don't want to spend all day in here. Come on, give me my daily target. It's only 300 on this account, and like I said, just taking it easy. Start trailing here. And here's my daily target on this account. Let's take a look at the other accounts. So I don't know if I show this is a live account, right? Yeah, this is a live account. So that's quick, and that's what I'm talking about. In the summer, I prefer very quick kind of targets. Let me drag another account, see what we can do there. All right, sorry, I had some difficulty dragging this chart over, but this is another live chart, another funded account, and this one is also just a $300 target. I'm not quite sure here. I'm not sure if this is all we can get out of the reaction. Well, definitely we have lower highs, we have lower lows. I don't know if I want to buy yet. Actually, over here it could be possibly a good short, right at the 76. This is the last high, but then we have this high low. So, all right, so maybe we should just take a break a little bit and just wait. On the other hand, if this low is broken, it could go lower then. Maybe, let's see if we can break this low. I'm not too worried about this support really. It's really not much of a support. If we can break this low, we should have a new low beyond it. And then this would confirm the lower high over here. You see, this lower high is not confirmed yet until this low is taken out. Maybe they just suckered me in and now they're gonna go up. We'll see. Just 20 tick stops, that's all I have here. If they can break this, we have 58, which should give me my daily target. Yeah, so now this is a confirmed low high since this low is broken. I just don't trust this price action, so I'm going to at least get something out of this trade. Yeah, now we're showing back up. It looks like they should go to 58. So now this is a low high. Well, definitely trending down. I mean, we can see we have this channel over here, if you can imagine. A channel, it's a descending channel. Everything so far points lower, and to me it just means a 58. At least try and test this 58. I really should be in this. We have a descending channel. Right around looks like 71. I might not even get there. Right, well, the moving average is still sloping lower. I'm going to try a short right around 69. Hopefully they'll give it to me. Fighting the volatility stop there. Remember, this is a 7-tick range, so really tiny time frame. Volatility stop is not much of a resistance in this kind of a short time frame. Nevertheless, so far the range for today looks like around 62 to right around 84. Yeah. So I mean, if they will not be able to break higher, I don't see them avoiding the 58. Boy, it's necessary to have a lot of patience for this kind of price action. And did they stop this out? So now what? I'm gonna... I really can't believe in higher prices yet until at the least this high is taken out at 76. And then of course the 84. I will try another short right around this high, around 76. And if not, I would have to wait for the moving average to turn bearish and the precision trend go bearish to take a short that I marked over here. Yeah, looks like my stop might have been a bit too tight. Well, going with the short anyway. The average, as you can see, is red, means bearish, and the precision trend turned bearish, and we took another short. Again, there is no mystery here. They're either going to break the 84 top side or they're going to go and test the 58. The problem is, in between, they can do all kinds of stuff. Like you've seen over here, they just took me out, pretty much. within 2 or 3 ticks there, and now they're going lower again. So we just got to get through this 62, and then 58 definitely becomes inevitability. There's our first target. Yeah. It's not that they can't get here. I mean, if they break the 58, this is really not a problem. It's just that giving this very choppy price action, who knows what's going to happen. Right, so first of all, I need to take care of the downside. I think I mentioned before, once I take a hit and I'm down, I become more defensive. With this price action, I need to be defensive. See what they're doing? That's 62. Stop them cold. I just don't think they'll be able to get to 76. It's possible, but can the 62 really be the low of the day? I don't see it being the case. All right, let me try another short over here. For another retest of this 62. I'll probably get out as it gets to the 62 simply because of this bounce. So I'll probably get out manually. At 864. I'm gonna have to achieve this daily target, I think, in a few stages. It's not what I like to do, but you see this. Maybe I'll just close one here. Close one here and just let the other one run. This. Such condensed price action, that is unbelievable. It's going to try for that 62 again, breaks the 62 right down to 58. And if I'm at 58, I should be able to just about reach my daily target. Just hope the 62 is not going to make them bounce again. I'm going to start trailing it by 50%. I just don't trust it. It should be a quick move from 62 to 58, not this. This is not good. Yeah, this is garbage. This is no good. And out again. Only halfway to the daily goal on this account. I reduced it to begin with and I can't even reach the reduced target. Well, that's what it is. Now what? They just want this area here. They just broke the 62 by a little bit. I don't trust this. Still cannot believe at 84 until definitely, well, at the very least, the 70 has to be taken out. Then the big one is the 76. All right. This minor resistance, let's see if it's going to play a role in anything. From here, even if we just test the 62, I should come up with my daily target. If I only get $150, even less. It will be frustrating if after all this, they take us out. Even if they do, I'd still be looking to take a short at that 76. After all this, they're going to take us out. Ay, ay, ay. Yep. Well, pretty much back to where we started. Down 53. I'll still be looking to take a short at the 76. This will be this is the last stand before trying to break the 84, I guess. This one is gonna ride all the way down. I mean, this has to be the line in the sand. I mean, they have to at least test the 62, and my target is before then. So I'm not gonna touch anything now. I'm gonna just let this trade happen. Either I'm right or I'm wrong. If I step out on this trade, I'll just be done for the day on this account, because this means I was just completely wrong. I believed from when the day started at 9:30 that we're going to see 58. I'm sorry, guys. Because at this point, I mean, this is the line in the sand. Either we see the 58 or we see the break of 84, and that's it. Okay, well, we'll see if we're finally breaking down here. Let's get through 70 to 68 and then just down to the lower 60s. If my math is right, I should be out around 66, 67 with my daily target. And I'll be more than happy to take it and get out. This is terrible. And here is the break. Finally, come on. Gonna continue to trail it now. I just had enough of this day. Here is my target. All right. Whew. Well, so as you can see by this profit curve here, it was just a mess of a day. But achieved this lower target. This chart had normally a target of 500, and now I had to get out with just about 300 here. Let's take a look at the first chart we had here. This one, let's make it a little bigger here. And once again, I did not put, let me enable the price and the markers. So yeah, it was nice and clean, right in the beginning of the day. Right over here, took a short. So when a persistent trend became bearish, I just looked for a small bounce. Got that bounce over here, took a short. It was a very clean and easy 300, minus of course commissions. The other chart definitely was not so easy, but it's done. Again, if I see anything else, I'm not going to sit here all day. If I see anything else happening, I'll engage my third account to see if I can do anything there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for your patience with this, but that's the price action we've been getting here.